Pool Noodle Pony meets Hank aka Desensitization Day. Musical trot activity. Learning about stopping by a certain point and passing other riders safely while having fun. I was the DJ. Internet was wonky, so that's why they both were like, oh gosh, I need to stop now. But then I got him. They had 10 seconds to stop at a cone. Failure to do so, you're out. Pool Noodle Pony Show Raining Class Law. Jump break. Equine telephone. Presenting our dream pony projects. Ribbon pairs race, learning about working together and completing a challenge with teamwork. Charlie and Benji left versus Gally and Zip right. Walk a trot activity. Depends on rider comfort level. So proud of my girls. Making horse treats. Learning about barn chores. Equine headbands.
Run!
We also tie-dyed our own camp shirts.
Come on! Daddy, let's go!
Fill the pitcher Pool Noodle Pony Edition. 2 teams of 2. First team to fill up their side with the sponge the most wins.